Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I will try to find out how many volts we can get out from this 3 DC motor. Okay, this one is a 775 DC motor, while these two came from an old printer. I have no idea how many volts this is because labels already removed, and while this one is no indication of voltage. Okay, let's try to find the maximum voltage we can get first from this 775 motor. Okay, already attached the wire to the digital tester, sorry. Then that's it too. Okay, the drill, let's tighten up, not too tight, just for testing. Okay, now let's spin it up. Okay, 2 bolts, 6, 7, 12. Okay, so that is 15.7 volts, 0.8 at the maximum speed of the drill. Okay, so I think the 775 motor produce more voltage. Now let's try the printer motor. Okay, let's try this one. Well, I'm doing a testing, guys, because I have an upcoming project using DC motor. So I want to find out which of these 3 motor can produce more voltage. So this is the reason why I'm doing this testing. Okay, now second one, the sprinter motor. Oops. Sorry, not on the right track. Okay, let's try it again. Let's reverse the polarity because we are reading negative. Okay, only 13.5 volts, you see, at the maximum speed. Not enough voltage we can get. Let's try the smaller one. Oops. Okay, this aside and connect to the test probe. Okay, let's test it. 14.8, 14.9 volts. Okay, so just almost the same. These two are almost the same output voltage. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and I think I'll be using this one for my next project. More output of voltage up to 15 volts, 0.8. So watch out guys, because I'll be using this 775 motor on my next project. Thank you for watching.